आई वाज पूरी तरह से मैं वही था एंड कॉल किया एंड देन फिर उन्होंने तब वो प्रोसेसिंग में थे, फ्यूनरल शायद नहीं करे थे, फिर उनके फ्रेंड ने उठाया। हाँ, एंड आई रियली शॉक, मतलब वो आप पूजा चल रही तो मेरा कुछ मन नहीं कर रहा था। इवन मैं नागपुर में वापस आने में, बेसिकली फ्रॉम नागपुर, नागपुर में आने के बाद 3 दिन पूरा शॉक में था, कैसे हो गया, मतलब लिटरली। और स्टिल अब भगवान की इच्छा है, जैसे बोलते हैं लोग कि जो नजदीक के, भगवान से बहुत नजदीक वाले लोग को भगवान पहले उठा लेता है। दैट मे बी केस एंड आई डोंट नो कि कैसे हो गया, बट आई एम रियली मिसिंग विद्युत जी वेरी बैडली। थैंक यू।
विल्सन जी।
उनका जो नमस्कार, उनका आत्मा को पहले मैं शांति। ओके, उनका जो क्लास का जो तरीका है, ताकि अपने को जल्दी समझता था, मतलब क्लास, so there is no difficulty to understand to in practical side applications of that symbols and all that. Basically, about Vidyut ji, our friend Sriram is introduced to me, then we joined it together. He was doing before also that practices and all that. Anyhow, we don't know exactly what was happened. We came to know later on. This there was no feedback from Vidyut ji about this attunement. We already got it, attunement and all that. It was very sad to say that such a wonderful person is missed. We are planning to join that next session, second level also. Anyhow, we are looking good in future also. May God bless him and rest his soul. Okay.
श्रीराम जी।
Namaskar. Actually, I really don't know how I came in contact with Vidyut ji, but somehow when I got in touch with him, and it was for a Lama Fera course, because I had already started my practice of Lama Fera without undergoing any formal training, both levels rather, to tell you. So I wanted to do something formal and to formalize my learning in a systematic way. So that was why I ended up with Vidyut ji. So and then I thought I have a couple of healers with me, and Mr. Wilson is a senior healer following the pranic modality. We call it prana yoga, and he's a very senior healer. So like there's another healer. His name is Prem Chand. So the three of us, we discussed and we decided, let us all get to learn this wonderful modality systematically and in a proper way. That is how we came in contact with Vidyut ji. And one thing I really appreciate about him is that whereas most of the teachers of such healing systems want to put a very big price tag for the course, and that itself is a deterrent for many people to join that course, because it's so expensive. And his mission that every household should have a healer, that is a very, very noble mission. I think every one of us, we should take it to heart, and we should carry on with that mission further, because this is the way we can spread the Buddha's mercy, his compassion to everywhere across the globe. Everywhere, in every house, if there's a healer, the whole world is going to change. It's going to be a wonderful place. So that was a wonderful vision Vidyut ji had with him, and I believe we should definitely, in our own way, we are pushing that mission at the moment. But we definitely need to think seriously to carry this further. And we are also in line to learn the second level of the course. I had a few interactions with Vidyut ji because I used to be the one contacting him on behalf of the three of us most of the time. So I used to call him. I used to have a WhatsApp chats with him, and found him to be a wonderful person. And the moment I spoke to him the first time, I decided I need to have a good contact with this person. It was the course thing, and the formal course, etc., was a second thing. Because he belongs to a rare species, I would say, of people who are teaching Lamafera and who are wonderfully practicing the Lamafera modality. That is a very rare species, because having gone through a number of Google searches, and I also enrolled for many courses on the internet on this same subject, I know that many people are not really healers, or they cannot guide the student in a proper way in a clinical setting and all that. I believe Viditji was eminently capable of doing that kind of guidance. So it's a very huge loss actually that we have. It's difficult to estimate what big loss it is for us, at this moment. So definitely this mission has to go on forward. We all definitely will be cooperating to carry this ahead. And may his soul rest in peace. As always, he used to be fully dependent on Buddha in whatever he used to say. Yes, if Buddha wills, we will do it this way. And so I believe that blessings, as he always used to say, Buddha blessings. So today is an occasion we all pray that may Lord Buddha's blessings be on him in full measure, and may his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Ramji, for your wonderful. Rakesh ji, a few words. Rakesh Sharma ji.
मेरा ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं था सर से, एक ही बार बात हुई थी, लेकिन जितनी भी बात हुई उससे लगा कि बहुत ही प्योर सोल हैं, इसीलिए शायद उनको जल्दी बुला लिया आपने। मेरा अभी अट्यूनमेंट भी अभी नहीं हुआ है। पहले मैंने एक बार ज्वाइन किया था, तो उसके बाद अभी रिसेंटली कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, लेकिन अट्यूनमेंट नहीं हो पाई। एक दिन अचानक से मैसेज देख के मुझे शॉक हो गया, विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि इतनी बड़ी घटना हो गई है। बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं सर को। बहुत अच्छे प्योर आत्मा थी, भगवान उनको शांति दे, अपने चरणों में स्थान दे, और हमें शक्ति दे कि हम उसको सीख कर उनके मिशन को आगे बढ़ा सकें। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू राकेश जी। नेहा जी।
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ जी सर, हिंदी में मुझे तो कुछ बोले।
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, जो आपका।
तो सर पता कि उन्होंने जैसे मुझे काफी कुछ बताया था कि इस कोर्स को करोगे तो आपको काफी कुछ हासिल होगा, जो आपकी इच्छाएं हैं या कुछ भी आप चाहते हो, आप आगे आगे तरक्की करते जाओगे इन चीजों के बारे में। तो अभी मेरा स्टार्टिंग ही थी, तो सर का जब सुना तो बड़ा शौक हुआ सुनकर कि कैसे हो गया, कि जैसे खुद इतने हीलर थे, लोगों को इतना हील करते थे, लोगों को की वो चीजें करते सिखाते करते थे, तो अपना उनका वो कैसे हो गया कि हील नहीं कर सकते कुछ चीजें, वो समझ नहीं आई।
धन्यवाद, थैंक यू। विनीता जी।
हेलो।
हेलो।
सर विद्युत सर के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं जानती। लामा फेरा मैंने कहीं सुना था, फिर एफबी पे सर का पोस्ट देखा। जब सर से बात हुई तो कुछ एक पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस हुई, तो सर ने बोला नहीं मैम, आपको ज़रूर से लामा फेरा सीखना चाहिए, कि कहीं ना कहीं कोई गाइडेंस आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी। मतलब 17 सितंबर को तो मेरी सर से बात हुई थी, 18 को मैंने कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, और मुझे पता भी नहीं था, एक आध बार मैंने उन्हें मैसेज भी किया व्हाट्सएप पर, बट सर का कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया। तो मतलब आई एम लिटरली शॉक जब मैंने ये जूम मीटिंग ज्वाइन करके वो फोटो देखा, तो मतलब समझ ही नहीं आया कि क्या हुआ। मतलब उनकी आत्मा को भगवान शांति दे, और बस नथिंग टू से सर।
थैंक यू सो मच। तो व्हाट वी विल डू, अभी हम एक छोटा सा प्रेयर करते हैं। वी विल रन दैट, वो जो बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि हम लोग 3 बार चांट करेंगे, और उसके बाद साइलेंस में फॉर 2 minutes वी विल प्रे फॉर द सोल ऑफ विद्युत जी। whatever way you can, and we will be in silence, and after that we will be coming back to normal. So I'm going to play Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Let's all pray for Vidyutji's soul as appropriate. Thank you all for your prayers. And, welcome back. So for all the students who are new, who have not got attunement, we have got all the final survey of the students. So we will send a mail across to you. We have a finalization process एक चल रहा है हमारे एक new master के साथ. We will give the attunement. So once which is done, so जैसे नेहा जी को attunement मिलना है, विनीता जी को, राकेश जी को मिलना है, and all the other students are there. So we will do the follow-up with all of you in the group, and we will create a separate group for all of you, those students who जिनकी attunement अभी नहीं हुई है, and we will update about all the informations which is vital and required. And if you have any other questions, you are always or anytime, my number is there with everyone. Shrikanji's number is also there, so you guys can always call me, and I will request even Sriram ji, like if he can also guide the new students if it is possible for him whenever a student wants any kind of guidance. As you guys have proceeded very high in this field, you guys are doing a lot of work. आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. If you can guide some of the students, it will be wonderful. The new masters will be coming, and she may also able to help us about the master healer thing. So within next week, probably we are going to finalize on everything. And so the video courses are all done. We have sent all the courses, and I'm also creating Hindi version for Neha ji, Vinita ji, and another person, and it is going to be nice. And even Dinesh ji also is getting his own write-up on PDF of things. So we're going to create a separate group for all the students who are going to get attunement, and we will update and inform them. So let's thank one another. Let's again thank the soul of Vidyut ji for bringing such a transformation in all of our life, for touching all of our life in one way or the other. And may I pray again to God, Lord Buddha, that may his soul be given the highest as appropriate standing in the heaven, and may his soul be in love, peace, and harmony forever as appropriate. I thank you all for coming over here, and I'm really grateful to all of you who have joined. I'm really grateful to all the students of Vidyut Jetia for being over there, and Buddha blessings to all, Buddha blessings to Vidyut Jetia, and Buddha blessings to all the students. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any other questions, we will call it a day then. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Shrikant ji. Thank you, Wilson ji. Thank you, Sriram. Thank you, Neha sir. Thank you, Rakesh ji. Thank you, Vinita ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.